Hi, welcome to Chef Oil Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Hainan chicken over rice. Let's start with the ingredient: whole chicken, dragon. Later on, I'm gonna make a soup with that, and then cilantro, and then the ginger. Also, I'm gonna add the garlic and the cilantro into the rice as well. Let's start it. Boiling the water, and then put the chicken onto that. Add the ginger, cilantro. I'm gonna clean the rice 2 times, and I'm gonna show you how to cooking the rice. 1 cup of rice, and you put 1.5 chicken broth into the rice. And then I add the garlic and cilantro with oil into the rice and mix all together. And then cook the rice in the white rice mode. Right now, Hainan chicken or rice is ready.